Hello, I'm Susan from Oasis Beauty, and today I'd like to share with you our amazing new Skin Brightening Facial Tonic. This is full of amazing superfruits from Australia, including the Kakadu plum, which has 900 times more vitamin C than blueberries. So imagine what an amazing superfood this is for your skin. Now you can use this like a toner, but it absolutely is not a toner. It is a really nourishing, powerful skin tonic that is ideal for any skin type at all, from severe acne, oily skin, right through to very, very dry skin. And what we are going to be doing with this is either spritzing it or wiping it over the face, over clean skin, to replenish all those beautiful, rich antioxidants to really optimize your skin health. So why don't you make our Superfruit Facial Tonic part of your daytime skin regime? Thank you.